Okay, so the Frugal Innovation project that me and my team made was focused on frugal architecture. You can see it right here. So first, what we had to do was we had to identify what was the problem we were going to focus our project on. In which we chose houses, or well, the lack of a suitable house for people, or for yes, for people. Basically, in this graphic, you can see how the prices of houses have been increasing through the years from 2018 to 2022. And well, with this, we can see that basically people can't afford houses nowadays, or either, well, that is either they can't afford it or they don't live in a suitable house. So the target audience was, as I said, people from the bottom of the social pyramid, because according to INEGI, 14 million families around Mexico can't afford a house, as I said previously. And according to the United Nations, 38.4% of the Mexican population lives in an unsuitable housing. Okay, so the existing solutions that for this problematic is in Mexico, there is a social housing program, which is Infonavit. Uh, is not as it should be, because people still have to pay, of course, less price than what is a new house, but it's still a high price for poor people. And also, it's not in every state, neither in every zone, or yes, in every, you can say, block of the states. So what people do is they build their own houses, but not an adequate house, either because it's not safe, not with the right aesthetic, you could say, or not as suitable as it should be. Okay, so our project is basically, you could say, here it is, a house made out of eco plugs, which is basically made out of plastic bottles, tires, or things like that. Things that people consider trash or litter, we can use it as well, yes, as material for constructing houses, building houses. Sorry. This is the storyboard how everything should work, which is basically making, well, what makes us different is just the price, and what is the house built of. So when we asked people what were the mistakes, or what they thought about this, there were two main concerns, which were, first, people thought it was unsafe. Uh, we instantly marked that solution as just telling them that it is it is safe, because we're not the only ones, or this is not the first project focusing on these solutions. And secondly was the aesthetic of the house, because let's be honest, no one wants to have a house in which your walls are full of plastic bottles or a tire coming out of the wall. So we found a solution to this problem just by putting a little bit of the common materials that people use for building houses, like concrete. So in front of the plastic bottles and the other materials, we're going to put a well, yes, you could say some concrete to not make it look as well, not make it look that ugly, you could say. And well, basically, we learned in this week everything. We learned everything about optimizing resources, of course, to help other people. You could say we learned how to make something big, or something, yes, a big project out of uh, something people need in everyday life. And well, myself, I learned how to uh, work on a team, of course, and well, yes, to find the solutions to problems that people face nowadays that aren't as easy to confront as one would thought. And well, that is basically all of it, all of our project, and that's it.